So for example or guided practice 4, it said solve by addition method. We have two equations here. If we try to add both of them, it will give you no appropriate answer because we need to cancel either the y or the x. So if you add all of both of them without doing multiplication or division, then it will not help. So there is no help for this. So we have to do multiply times -2. So you multiply -2 times the first equation. It gives you -12x plus 2y equal 10. Why we have to multiply times -2? Because we have in the second equation, we have -2. So +2 and -2, when you add the two equations, they cancel the y. And you get only x. So you're going to get -8x plus 0 equal 16. So x equal -2. Now we substitute -2 for x in equation 1. And equation 1 is what? 4x. So x is -2 minus 2y equals 6. So in this case, it's going to give you -8, -2y equals 6. -2y equal, then I move the -8 to the other side, become positive. 6 and 8 give you 14. You divide, you get -7. So your final answer will be -2, -7. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes. Please make sure that you copy that answer. Okay. Now let's go to the next question. The next question, it says, Ryan, read the next question. True or false?
True or false? The substitution method is a good choice for solving a system of equations if one of the equations has a variable on one side by itself.
Yes. You see here, I'm giving you an example. X equal 3y plus 3. So it's isolating one variable on one side and the other variable on the other right side. So it's much easier to substitute now. Use the substitution method, not the elimination, not the addition. Okay? Is that clear?
Yeah.
So the answer here is what? True. Let's go for the next one. I need someone to read. Please read, identify. Go ahead.
Identify systems that do not have exactly one order their solution. Solve the system number 6.
Yes, x minus 2y.
X minus 2, y equal 4. And the other one, 2x minus 4y equal 5.
Okay, so in order for me to cancel, which one I cancel? Should I cancel the y or the x? I cancel the y. Okay, so multiply 2 times all 3 terms here. So you're gonna get what? 2x minus 4y equal 8. This equation number 3. So add 2 and 3. And what do you get? 4x. Okay. Now here it will not cancel, right? Why it's not going to cancel? Because minus and minus, right? Yes. So in this case, I have to change this to what? Minus 2. Minus 2, that will make it minus 2x, correct?
Yes.
And then minus give you plus. And then minus times 8 is going to give you what? Minus 8. Now, wow, actually it's going to cancel both, right?
Yeah.
That's weird, right? 0 plus 0 equal -3. Is 0 equal -3? The answer is what?
Yeah.
False, right? So in this case, we'll say empty set is phi. What shape is phi? Is like this. Means empty set. Means no solution. Means the two lines are what?
False.
What are the two? Parallel, because they don't intersect. Okay? Y multiply times -2? Because I need to get rid of the y. So you multiply times -2, you get +4. And then we're going to add equation 2 plus equation what? 3. So if you add 2x plus negative 2x, you get 0.
Yeah.
If you add negative 4 plus 4y, you get 0. But remember, I'm doing it in good intention. When I did it in good intention, both of them came 0. So you get 0 equal what? Negative 3. Is this true or false?
False.
False. 0 never equal negative 3. Yes?
And came some of negative 3 we wrote in a negative 8.
Yeah, because it said 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8 give you negative 3. Okay? Let's go to the next one. The next one, okay? It said here x equal how much?
3y minus 1.
Exactly. So this is so good. Why? Because I'm going to replace x by what?
3y minus 1.
Exactly. So I'm going to replace x by 3y minus 1. 2 times 3, how much?
6.
6. And 2 times negative 1?
Minus 2.
Minus 2. And then you combine a like terms, right? So when you combine like terms, you get negative 2 equal negative 2. Is negative 2 equal negative 2? Is this true? It's true. So if it's true, in this case, that means the two lines are what? No, they are what?
They are undefined.
The two lines are what? Overlap. Is this clear? So that's mean infinite many solution. Or you can write it in symbol, negative infinity to positive infinity. Or you can write it as what? As R. All this correct. Easy as easy? Move on.
So I would like to a quick confirmation. There's two different numbers equals each other. That would be empty set, right?
The two numbers are equal each other. It's true. Then it's infinite many solutions.
What about the different numbers? which
Then
shows that
there
equals
is
each other?
there is no intersection and there is no common number. Then there is no solution.
How about the intercept?
Then it will give you a point. It will give you an answer. It will give you the
X
answer.
equals something, right?
We have 3 cases. What are the 3 cases? When you do substitution, you get 0 equals 0, or you get 7 equals 7. That's mean infinite number of solutions. What if you get 1 equals 0, or 3 equals 0? 5. Empty set. The third case is x equal 3 and the y equal 2. That means what? One solution in 3 and 2. Is this clear? Clear or not clear? So that 3 cases, 3 scenarios.
Easy.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's move to giving some real life application. I need someone to read. Who can read?
7 cups of,
Yes,
of
go ahead.
coffee and 4 pieces of toast cost $655. 5 cups of coffee and 3 pieces of toast cost $475. Find the cost of each item.
Okay, so he gave you how many cups of coffee?
7.
So you have 7 cups of coffee, but he didn't tell you how much is each cup, right? All right, and how many toasts?
4.
You know what's toast, right? That's like bread, okay? Cost how many? 4 pieces. Cost how much? 655. Second time you went there, you order how many cups? 5 cups of coffee. And how many pieces of toast? 3. How much it cost?
175.
So we make equation. What is the first equation? Let x be a cost of cups, right? Because we already know that we have how many? 7. So that what is missing is the cost. Cost of what? Of cup of coffee, okay? So we say this is x, right? And what about y? Let y be the cost of what? Yes, pieces of toast. Okay, so we'll let x and y, okay? So we'll say 7 times the price. We don't know the price, we say 7x, okay? Plus, we don't know the price, but we know how many pieces, 4 times y. And how much you pay at the end? 600. Okay, is that clear? That's equation 1. And the second time you went, it was 5 cups of coffee. We don't know the cost, plus 3 toast. You don't know the cost. 3 times y equal how much you pay at the end? 475. Now he's asking you for the price for each type. So since I have equation 1 and I have equation 2, I need to think of one variable that I can cancel if I add. So I can cancel the y. If I multiply the first equation by -3, multiply the second equation by 4. That will make it what? Will make this is -12, and this will make it +12. If you add them, then what happened? You cancel the y.
You find the LCD.
And you get -x equal what? -65. So x equal how much?
65.
So x is what?
Cups of coffee.
Cups of coffee. That's cost $65. Very expensive, right?
بس 7.
For 1 cup.
One cup only. It costs $65. Is that clear? Now I have to replace x by what? 65 to get how in equation 1 to get how much is the toast. So the toast costs how much? $50. Very expensive, right? So the cups of coffee or the coffee cups, how much it cost? $65. And the toast, how much it cost? $50. So that's in maybe in Hilton. Yeah. If you want how much real, you multiply 65 times 4. That give you what? 280, right? 240, right, Ryan? 4 times 5, how much? 20. So that's almost how much? 60 riyals per 1 cup. And if you want the toast, multiply 50 times 4. That give you what? 200. So yeah. So in one setting, you will be paying 400 what? 60 riyals.
بس لو ساعد الكاشير كم سعرها أسهل.
Okay, is that clear? I'm gonna stop recording because I'm gonna tell you a story happened to me, okay?